today we are doing a video with a super sick Evo X. Making my butthole walker.
I was shaking in my boots.
What is going on, you guys? How are y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. I got my buddy OCL out here, and he's on Instagram as 3am_Evo. Go give him a check out. I'll pop his Instagram up on the video for you guys. But this is his dope Evo X, and it's got a lot done to it. Here's the engine bay for you guys, and I'll introduce him and have him talk about his car in a second. But this thing is just super sick. All right, what's going on, brother? How you doing, man?
Good, man. Good.
Good. So tell the audience about your car. How long have you had it? What's done to it? And give it all the goodies.
Well, I just got this last year, so a little bit over a year now of ownership. We got a 5.6 precision turbo. What else? Got the ETS intake. Got a big old blow up valve right there. Got the ETS intercooler, and just sitting on some. Most of them are Toyos. One of them's Michelin because they didn't have a full set. I was like, what the hell, man?
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, but you know they all work the same. She's tuned for about 500 horsepower to the wheel.
Oh, sick.
Right
Okay.
now, that's we had to turn it down because she stock block, stock head.
Okay.
So I was pushing it a little too much.
What? So for the transmissions that are stock, how much horsepower can they handle before you have to really go into the trannies?
Well, my buddy Mac, you've done a video with him.
Yeah.
He says he has stock tranny and he's about 900
Dang.
horsepower. So
See,
either he has insane luck or he's really crazy at shifting.
that's the thing about the Evo is like what I was saying. You can really push these cars to the limit. They are like legit bulletproof, and like on the stock block and transmissions, if you get a mechanic or if you know how to do the performance mods right, they are like legit bulletproof. I think you can probably agree to that. They're like legit bulletproof.
Pretty much. You know, it's not the iconic 4G with the later Evos, but it's a solid engine for what you get. You know, the only difference between a 4G and a 4B is nostalgia and a cast iron block. That's it.
Yeah.
That's really it. What else? You got no wing. You know what they say about no wing Evos?
No, I don't. What do they
No?
say?
Don't try them.
Don't try them. Hey, I like that. I've never heard that before. That makes sense. It's like seeing a rear bumperless car. If you see a car with no bumper, don't try them because then you're gonna get smacked. Hey guys, pardon the interruption, but today's video is sponsored by AUTOone LED. AUTOone LED actually went ahead and sent me some LED headlights, and what I love about these headlights is they are super bright. I went ahead and got the 6000K colorway, which is a super bright white because I like to see at night, and these lights actually do a really good job at shining really bright light, have a wide distance, and they do very well. So if you guys want, go ahead, click the link in the description, and if you follow me on Instagram, click the link in my Instagram and use the discount code to get 15% off of your order. AUTOone LED, thank you so much. And the first thing I see when I get in is a fire extinguisher. You know what they say when you get in and there's a fire extinguisher, you know they're quick.
Yeah.
Do you track this car at all?
I don't track it. I go to drag nights over at PIR during the summer. The only way I track it is, you know, go to the Skyline or Germantown.
Okay, nice.
I like going on those windy roads, you know.
Right.
Track days are pretty expensive.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know if you guys can hear the wastegate, but that thing just sounds so good. It makes me think of my Genesis because I had a Genesis and it had an HKS bullet blow-up valve, and that thing was so loud. It was so cool. So what's the fastest car you've raced against that you can think of?
Hellcat.
Hellcat?
Yeah.
Did you get him or did he beat you?
I got them. It was at PIR. I wish someone had a video of it, but no one was recording.
Dang.
But yeah, no, it was my first race at PIR, and let me tell you, I was shaking in my boots. I was, dude. He lined up right next to me. I'm like, oh, dude, I'm so cooked.
I'm so cooked.
And yeah, no, he did a little burnout, you know, and we went to the tree. and it lit up green, and I just dipped, and he was still back there. Either he messed up, or the car's actually that fast. I'm not sure.
So you got the jump on him, huh?
Yeah, I got the jump on him.
So we ended up stopping at Hag Lake, and check out this view, you guys. This is super cool. I've never been out here. Oseo was just telling me that Wasted Space hosted a meet out here sometime last year, but I wasn't able to go because I had something come up. But yeah, this is my first time here at Hag Lake. This is really pretty view. Hey bro, so tell the audience what we're about to do.
So basically what we're gonna do today is not go in a straight line, but we're gonna go a little turns called a togue. So basically a togue is you get a group of like 5 other cars, and you try to, the goal is to just make it at the end, but if you can overtake, you overtake, and it's whoever can turn quickest and cleanest. And we don't cross the mustard. We do not cross the mustard, guys. Do not go into yellow lines.
So he's gonna do a flyby for you guys. So we're gonna get him coming down and flying past us at a good amount of speed, doing the speed limit, of course. Tires too, making my butthole pucker. Ooh, nice bed. Yeesh. Man, this thing is just crazy around the corners. Holy cow.
I was at a red light turn, and this guy in the truck was just, I don't know, he was either going super slow on purpose, or he was just old. But it was a 1 lane and it turned to a 2 lane. So I fucking gunned it in first gear while turning, and I power slid around the motherfucker.
Oh! Yeah,
and I power slid, and as soon as I stopped, she grabbed traction just like that.
Jeez.
Really quick. So that's the first time I power slid the Evo. It was scary low key, but I kind of know where the braking point is now. So that's good, you know.
Yeah.
You always gotta, you know, sometimes push a car to know where your limits are. Just do it, you know.
Right.
Not how I did it.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Alrighty, you guys, we made it back in one piece, thankfully. So that was a ton of fun. So, Oseo, brother, thank you so much for taking me on a ride.
You're welcome, man.
And yeah, you guys, make sure to go check out Oseo on Instagram. I'll pop his Instagram up again for you guys. And for all you Evo owners out there, make sure to go follow him. And for everyone that's local that wants to go on a togue with him, make sure to hit him up. And I'm sure he'll be glad to have you out with him and stuff like that. So if any of you guys locally want to do a collaboration and get on YouTube on my channel and give me a ride along, hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, I don't have too much more to throw at you. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me for future car content. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.